Here, those are your knife heads. This is a press roller with 3 wheels, and this is 这是写到 beveling knife head 无动力的哈 without motor, and this is with motor type beveling head vibration type, and this is CCD. This is a pneumatic knife head. This is a vibration knife cutting head with a long type knife, and this is a this is a put-in hole head.